Okay, ito na. Okay, welcome po sa ating na light basketball action sa ating Aviation Friendly League, dapat sa Flying League. Okay, good day po sa lahat po, kasi Arvin G Vlog si Ju, and now you're watching right now sa ating channel, sa aking Facebook account po. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Ayan, set up natin nga maganda muna. Teka lang po. This is your Aviation Friendly League, dapat sa Flying League. We'd like to first thank the following sponsors: Thread the Needles and Team LBC Haran Padala, sa panabudyang SPB Aray MPS Big Basketball League. And of course, ito po ating mga participating teams: Hub, Cabin Line, Oryx Basketball, CAS, In-Flights, Airport United, Boleros, QR Towers, Freighters, Sky Team, and Mechanicos. This is no delimination sa ating Saturday. Ito po, natasuka po yan. Ito po ang ating first game po sa ating Saturday live action. Saturday night basketball po for this week between Oryx and Boleros. Boleros po playing po yung kanilang typical na fiery black combination. Of course, ito po ang Oryx po is now playing with the new motif, Oryx white and blue brown combination. Sir JP Boron is watching ready. Yo, hindi Albert, pumunta ka rito. Nandito na yung mga kalaban nyo. Punta ka rito, pre. JP Boron is watching right now. Sige po. Green po, sige po. Paki-like and share and subscribe po bago po namin siya magsimula. Okay, within 1:17, we're about to start now the opening tip of sa ating Saturday night basketball action between Boleros and, of course, ito po ang Oryx Basketball League or Oryx Basketball Team. Sige po, first game po natin po for tonight po. Sige po, tawag-tawag lang. Sige, tawag-tawag lang. Sige, please like, subscribe po sa ating pong laro po ngayon. Sige, trap. Ngayon, lumag dumating malaking nila. Gretchen Raspes watching right now also. Okay, opening tip up na po tayo sa ating Saturday night basketball action between Oryx Basketball versus Boleros. Okay, of course, nandito po si Jade Renwell with his action tonight. Also, of course, along with this gang ni Melvin sa ating Oryx Basketball. Kabilang po si Benji naman po sa Boleros. Okay, first quarter action will start right now. Yan. Okay, first quarter action will start right now. Sakto lang pareho. Okay, first 5 para sa Oryx. JD, Melvin. Number 19, si Carriaso. At si number 14, si Labrado. Kabla na po, of course, nandiyan Boss Melvin. Kamasa po, Boss Melvin. Yan, Boss Melvin in the house. Of course, sa kabila po, of course, nandiyan si number 25, si 30, si number 7, si number 12, at si number 11 naman po ng Boleros. Okay, first quarter, we're about to start right now. Sa ating Saturday night basketball action between Boleros and Oryx Basketball League. Okay, ito na po, simulan po natin yun. Okay, first quarter. First tip off now, kaninang bola nandong kay Oryx. Okay, Melvin. Tapo, lako. 2 points. Melvin 2 points. Melvin 2 points kagad. Now Boleros on the attack. Against Melvin again. Number 18, Melvin naharas. Perez. Nandun na naman si Melvin. Melvin to Carriaso, the Jet. Carriaso, 2 points. Fornan. Losada. Binababa na bola ni Losada. Number 25. Number 12. 12 again. Number 11. Benji. Wala. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Battle 1 by Carriaso again. Carriaso. Binato kay Melvin. Melvin. Landa si Jarcas. Floater shot. No good. Labrado. Pero ang aga, boss. Aga manggulang. Labrado called for a foul. Perez. Perez minabang bola now to Abelia. Abelia. Ayan na. Naku, malakas. Out of bounds. 8:50 remaining. 4-0. JD nilabas ang bola to Labrado. Labrado siya muna nagmamando ng bolang yon. Labrado. Labrado to JD. JD. The sniper. JD. Pops up. Easy 2. JD, 2 points. Nothing but net. Yung swoosh. Ilang narinig natin. And Perez. Number 12, Perez. Perez driving strong. No good. Call for a foul. At that's Carriaso. Carriaso called for a foul. Pops up, number 7. It's in. Second shot, number 7 ng Boleros. Jumper's ready. Oh, Dandy backs up daw. Pops up. No good. Rebound by JD. Nandun si number 11. Eusebio. Palpal ni JB naman. Palpal muli. Double blocks. Carriaso. 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 Tapos. Carriaso 2 points. Binatong bola. Ayan kay JD naman. JD. Still completed. JD. JD. Pops up. Bangs it in. JD 2 points. Back-to-back field goals by JD. Number 12. Binababa ang bola number 12. Foul, 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 foul. Who's foul rep again? Again, Labrado called for a foul. Losada, number 12. Perez. Balmaro, pops up for 2. In and out. Nandun si Jarcas. Pinato kay Melvin. Melvin. Nope. Labrado. Labrado Jolens. Na Labrado. Pasok. Labrado Jolens. Pasok. Jeff Philip is watching also. Abelia. Perez. Nope. Oy, travel invitation itong boss. Si Sebo call for travel. 6:49 remaining. 1-12 ang score po natin. Labrado. JD. Out of bounds. White ball. Oryx ball. Bola pa ng Oryx. Ariaso. Ayaw. Pops up. Fadeaway shot. Nope. Labrado. Nakapaglaban sa boards. Hindi pumubra. Okay. Walang pinasahan si Perez. Miscommunication on part of Boleros. Balik muli po. A bola. Sa Oryx. Oryx ball. Oryx ball. Labrado. Labrado to Melvin. Melvin. Nope. Di ba ko yung bank shot ni Melvin Valencia to Losada. Losada number 25. Losada. Eusebio. Foul on Cariaso. Cariaso called for a foul. Eusebio shooting for 2. It's in. Ball in. Ay. Hindi Nakarunning yun lang yun. Second shot, no good. Bote walang lipad. Ayos, may jet lag ka pa. Uy, Labrado, pinasok palabas. No good, Labrado again, Labrado. Melvin, sa kabila naman. Wala pa rin, in and out. JD intercepted the ball. JD naman yan. JD magbaba, nagtito mo ng bola. To Cariaso. Tumama pa sa board. Ladera. Wala pa rin. Perez. Pops up. Wala. Okay, 2 points, number 7. And change 5 po tayo. Change 5 tayo at 5:03 remaining. 2-12 po score po natin. Maraming salamat po sa ating manonood po right now. Mayroon po tayong 14 strong viewers po. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggil po sa aking FB page. Okay, white ball, Bulawan mag-inbound. Second starters over si Zohan, si Arnan, si number 0, si number 17 at si number 9. Kabila naman of course, nandiyan po si Pulintan, si Bulawan, si Medina, si Chudelax at si Limcaco. Tapos. Sa pataw. Kick pass, si Pulintan. Pulintan, driving strong. Kick pass kay Bulawan. Bulawan for 3. No good. Rebound by Zohan. Number 17 naka-rebound. Number 0. No good. Rebound Bulawan. Bulawan. Chudelax. Bulawan for 3. Ayaw. Pops up. Nope. Chudelax. Nandun ang black shirts. Number 9, binababang bola. Then, si number 17, Arman. Binato lang, wala, Bulawan. Kick pass kay Medina. Nope, ayaw. Malo pa. No good. Rebound Chudelax. Limcaco. Foul called. Foul on number 5. Limcaco shooting for 2. Second shot, Limcaco. Pasok. Limcaco, point for Limcaco. 3:35 remaining. Medina still completed. Medina, wala. Medina again, nakakuha ng bola. Pulintan, wala. Tayo lang, still. Dabs. Ayun, Arnan, wala. Dabs muli, Dabs. Dabs, pops up. Wala, Arna nasa ilalim, wala pa rin. Binato kay Pulintan ng bola. Pulintan. Okay, 2 points. Pulintan, 2 points. Boleros. Number 0. Uy! Cylinder. Pulintan call for a foul. Cylinder po yun. Cylinder. 2:38 remaining. Nandun si Chu Dilan. Buti nandun si Dabs. Dabs. Dolor. Ron. No good. Arnan. Dabs. Foul. Foul on number 77. That's Chudelax. Dabs number 9 shooting for 2. Okay, the timeout po. Timeout call by Boleros. James Mark Villarreal is watching also. Si Dimac also is watching. Basketball game muli po tayo. Medina. Nope, it's Dabs shooting for 2. Dabs. Out. Second shot for Dabs. Jumper ready. Dabs, second throw. Pasok. Bulawa, number 34. Medina. Medina, Chudelax, malakas ang pasa. Chudelax, Bulawan. Palpal. White ball sana pero pumunta sa black ang bola. Black ball, nice guard. 5:50 na score po natin. Chudelax against Ron. Binatong bola kay Dabs. Dabs. Dolor muna tayo. Dolor. Nope. Pulintan. Nakuha ang bola. Pulintan. Wala. Piniluwa pa kasi. And to Dabs for 3. Bang si rin. Dabs, 3 points. Chudelax to Bulawan. Bulawan. Dimkako for 3. Bang si rin. Dimkako 3 points. Binawi kagad. 10 kalamangan. Eto po tayo. Still completed again. Bulawan. Medina. Nice passing lanes. Pasok ang bola kay Bulawan. Chudelax again, intercepted. Chudelax, no good. Kaya naman tayo, Ron. Ron naman, si Ron. Ron. Arnan, wala. Rebound, Chudelax. Bulawan ako yung bola. Nando kay Medina, Medina. Kick pass, Timkako, pops up for 3. Nope. Dabs. Arnan, good ball. Dabs. In and out. Rebound din kako. Binatuan ng bola. Pulintan. Pulintan. Naipit ng konti. Pulintan. May rest back. Bulawan. Bulawan running shot. No good. And good ball. Zohan. Chudelax. Muntik pa. And that's it. First quarter. Tapos na po tayo. After first quarter po natin, the score is 8-20. Lamang po ang Oryx Basketball. Second half po tayo, ay second quarter po tayo yun. Okay. Boleros ang maglalabas. Number 7, that's Valdemoro. Second starters po, nandiyan si Marasigan. Benji. Pops sa Plosada, wala. Eusebio, naipit. Eusebio na palpal sa ilalim. Valdemoro. Benji. Oh, 3 saying violation. 3. Labrado. Cariaso. Labrado. Nadera. Pops up JD. Bang! Si rin. Long to lang. 8-22 ang score po natin. 14-point advantage na enjoyed na by Oryx. Rap play to Benji. Valdemoro for 3. No good. Tapos Marasigan naka-rebound. Kick pass ka kay Labrado. Labrado na walang bola. Labrado muntik pa. Pumasok pa ang bola. Labrado 2 points. Leo Anthony Rivera Vivas is watching also. Oh, foul na naman kay Labrado. Pangatlo na yan. Third foul on Labrado. Mapapaaga yata. Oh, skill completed. Nandito si Benji. No, rebound JD, pinatukan na bola. Labrado, Melvin, Cariaso, 2 points. Floater shot, 2 points. 7:55 remaining. Benji. Double team. Out of bounds. Welcome to the land of giants, sabi ng Oryx. Ito po tayo yun. Yan, Labrado. Binababa ang bola ni Labrado naman. Ito na naman. JD pops up. Nope. Losada forcing the shot. 2 points. 2 points, Losada. And Labrado to Eusebio. Cariaso for 3. And outside. No good. Pinapabambo lang yun. Benji. To Losada. Again, Labrado. 2-on-1 situation. Melvin. Nawala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Cariaso. Good, out of bounds. White ball. Labrado. Cariaso for 3. Out. JD. Rebound battle. Marasigan. Labrado. What a pass. Pasok ang bola kay Cariaso. Losada. Bothered by Marasigan. White ball pa. 5:51 remaining. Labrado. Cariaso pops up. Nope. Airball. Samsam. Abelia. Eusebio. Wala. Rebound. Valdemoro. Nandun si Barasiga. Nandun si Abelia. Eusebio, 2 points. Nice pass to Eusebio. Labrado. Oy, sayang. And change na po yata tayo ng Tiago. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Hindi pinasa kay Melvin.
White ball.
Kulintan. Judelax. Hulawan. Binato kay Limcaco for 3. Pasok kay Limcaco ang bola. Ayan, oh. Limcaco 3 points. 4:44 remaining. Dabs. Dabs. Perez. Hoy! Okay, Oryx, Bulawan for the inbound. Binababa ang bola ngayon with Pulintan. Uy! Lifting or traveling. Dabs. Perez. Wala. Bulawan. Pulintan. Wala kay Pulintan. Ron. Pops up. No good. Judelax. Sinabang ball ni Judelax. Bulawan. Pulintan. Malakas. Black ball. Wala. White ball sabi.
White ball.
Judelax. No good. Jargas again. Touch pass. And one play for Pulintan. And time of call by team Boleros. Nagtime po agad po sila. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. Pulintan, number 4. Nope. Dabs. Foul.
Foul number 4. Second personal foul. Foul number 4.
Nope.
Rebound by Dabs.
Dabs, 2 points.
Bulawan.
Dabs. Ron, 2 points lang kay Ron. Ron, 2 points. 16-33. Wala, Dabs eh. Dabs naman, naging take Timon. Dabs. Dabs. Good ball, good ball. Arnan. Ron, pops up. 2 points again, Ron. Ganda.
Bulawan.
Dimkako again, nope. Dabs. For 3. Oh, pasok ang bola kay Dabs. Dabs, 3 points. 12 na ng kalamangan na naman.
15 seconds.
Dark ha. Nice one by Pulintan. And that's it po tayo. Halftime po tayo yun. 21-35. Lamang po na 14 ang Oryx Basketball League. Oh, basketball team pala. Oryx Basketball Team. Okay, habang standby po tayo, 21-35 po tayo. The score is 14-point advantage. Laman po ang Team Oryx. Wala yatang penalty free throws yata. Para sila magkano, magsing dami. Okay. Marasigan to Mr. Labrado. JD power move. Oy, tumapak. Natapak. Okay. Albaldemoro, binato palabas, almost had it. Ron, binato lang, wala. Rebound by Cariaso. Long arms of Cariaso to Marisigan. And now to Mr. JD. JD na naman. Walang foul. No foul. Sabi ng referee. Ron. Malakas. 2 points. Number 30. 2 points. Three points called. Wala naman siya. Medina to Cariaso. Mababang pasa kay Cariaso. Nando na naman. And Zohan. Malakas. Out of bounds for the white shirts. Nice guard duty. Shout out kay Jurex Europe Fair Games. Sir Albert Dino Marasigan. Na. Score po, sir, 23-38. Naman po ng 15 ang Oryx. Cariaso, wala. Ito na naman, muli po si Ron, number 17. Ron, pops up. 2 points by Ron. 2 points. Medina against number 20. Zohan. Pops up JD, long 2. Bang! Long 2 points. Baldemoro. Saan ang way mo, pre? Mamya. Saan ang way mo? Buker? Malayo. Hanggang sa yung game ka?
Wala ba tayo?
Ha? Dalawang laro. Buker ka pala. Bababa sana sa metro station. Mamya. Bababa sana. Papuntang babalik ko mag-shirip kasi may kukunin pa ako. Eto naman, Mr. Dubs, naipit to Ron again. Wala, rebound, battle one by the black shirts, malalim. Dubs, nandun, pasok. And to Mr. Oy, kickball ka doon, boss. Kickball ka. Dubs. Binato ka kay Losada, number 25, Losada. Good ball. Baldemoro to Dubs na naman. Dubs for 3. Wala. Rebound, Medina. Pinato ka kay Labrado. Jolens. Nasa na po ang implied tsaka cast. Nasa na kayo? Where na you? Dito na mi. Implied tsaka cast. Nasa na po kayo? Maron Navales Aguilar is watching also. Implied tsaka cast. Where na you? Dito na mi. Dito na yata sina Anacleto, nandiyan na pala. Ayan na, to Zosada, pops up again. Ayan na naman. Naipit ang konti. Eusebio pops up, forced to change the shot. JD, harass si JD, dalawa, dinodouble team na siya. Good ball, binali ball. Out of bounds. Binali ball. Walang volleyball dito. Okay, Bob. Number 30 for the inbound. 5 minutes remaining. Losada, number 25. Nope. Rebound, Marasigan. Marasigan naka-rebound. Marasigan binabang bola. Mataas ang pasa kay Mr. Carriazo. Masyado mataas kay Jet. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Carriazo. Medina to Carriazo again. Carriazo 3-on-1. Labrado, easy 2. Nice one by Carriazo again. Bukot, pasok. Good ball. Carriazo, Labrado. Uy! Out of bounds. Black ball. Tama po tayo, Team Oryx. Bato ma'am. Oryx, tama po na. Calls for a breather. The score is 27-47. Lamang po ng 20. Lamang po ang 20 ng 20 ang Team Oryx over Boleros.
Okay, back to the ball game. Boleros ball.
Amuroy. During magandang bakbakan, the X-Game sir, yes, maganda nga yan. We expect a good game talaga between In-Flights versus CAS. Perez, number 5, wala. Chudilax ang rebound. Chudilax at titimon ngayon ng bola. Chudilax. Nice one by Darkas. Inabas ang bola. Limkako. May pumalpa sa kanya. Marcy Floresca, Bernasilla, pa-shoutout po sa asawa kong pogi na si Benji Bernasilla, number 13. Anong team yata yun? Ariola. Idol! Boss, hindi ka ba, boss? Ayan na. Ay, sorry. Ayan na naman sila. Ayan na naman. Oryx. Okay, kinaliwa na naman talaga. Walang kaliwaan kasi, boss, kinakaliwa mo eh. Shout out kay Lobas Tiga, si player of the game, si Mr. Alain Lim. Dolor. Pops up, Arman, wala. Rebound din kako. To Bulawan, binabambola. Bulawan. And to Bulawan, wala. Pulintan, Duisho Pasque, Dark as fouled. Nasabit. Anong matatapos na. Pag-fourth quarter na siya. Okay na pala eh. Armando! Kasama mo, nasan? Pakapi mo. Oh, good. Pukpukan to. So, stretching ko muna, pukpukan to mami. Nalaban to. Parang sabi ganyan, yung sinusok. Parang anong benefit?
Okay, back to the ball game.
Anong benefit din? Ba't kinakalama din?
Ay, compression.
O, anong benefit? Dugo.
Flowing ng dugo.
Di ba pag kinumpres ka para sasakalin mo, di ba?
Oo. Para di ka mag-cross.
Yun ang ano. Yun ang ano pala. Okay.
Flowing ng dugo.
Flow ng blood flow ang ano niya. Scott, hindi mo Cesar, Scott. Jarka, second shot, jumper, ready po tayo. Pops up, pasok. 27-51.
Ba't di naglaro si Scott?
Naka-duty, sir.
Nag-duty pala?
Ayan na naman si Pulintan, tupos, tapos. Shoutout kay Castor and Tan ng Kas, sabi ni Sir Babagay. Arnan, number 5. Perez, bothered. Uy! Ayan na naman. Losada, 2 points. Ginagimitan ng laki ng katawan. Darkas, and one play kay Darkas. And one play kay Darkas, 2 points. At 2:03 remain, the score is 29-55. Ayan na si Captain AJ. Captain AJ, the captain. Apat yun, di ba? Apat na, no? Apat ang stripes yun, di ba? Okay, ito na. Intercept na may Bulawan. 2-on-1 situation. Bulawan, Pulintan, ayaw mag-isa, 2 points. Dolor, naipit. Dolor, 5 seconds to pass. Yuan Rocomora, Sir Yuan, ano na, 144 na lang po. 144 na lang po, sir. Bali, pagkatapos ito, final quarter na po. Good ball. No foul. Dabs, pops number 3. Bangs it in. Dabs, 3 points. 3 points, Dabs. Binatong bola kagad kay Darkas, no good. Rebound din kako. Held ball situation. Dapat ay balik sana yung jump ball talaga. Yung hindi yung pinipili. Yung ball possession.
Para yung init ng laro, andyan pa rin.
Oo, para pag si ball possession, pwede pagplanuhan kasi yun eh. Limkako, malakas. Limkako muli. Pump to the outside. Wala pa rin. Dulo, naka-rebound. Nato si Limkako. Idol ko po si Sir Castor, sabi ni Babagay. Losada. Foul on Darkas. 20 seconds remaining, third quarter action, patapos na po.
14 seconds to shoot.
Jepox ba? Puro lipad parati ah.
Siya ngayon eh.
Judelax. Darkas to Pulintan. 3 second violation. 6 seconds remaining.
6 seconds.
Laman po ng 26 points. Pulintan. Foul called. Sumabit pa.
Foul. Number 12.
Perez called for a foul, number 3. Pulintan, number 4, shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot, jumper ready para kay Pulintan.
3 seconds.
3 seconds remaining. Pulintan. Pasok ang bola kay Pulintan. 3 seconds remaining. Pulawan! Wala na! Out of time. Ira Martinez says, go JD, Mr. 100%. This is your aviation friendly double sa Flying League. Would like first to thank the following sponsors, Team LB Sana Padra and Thread the Needles. Sa pa ng SPB Ara and PSB Basketball League. Bolero Sir Adrian So. Ito pa ating mga participating team sa ating season number 5. The elimination is now in our fourth quarter action now between Oryx and Boleros. Fourth and final quarter will start right now. White ball, sabi. Ha? Black ball yan, white ball. White ball, Melvin Nadera for the inbound. Melvin to Mr. Labrado. Melvin. Labrado, swipe away. JD, Marasigan, pops up. No, Piscariaso. Melvin, pops up. Wala pa rin. Push ball rep. Melvin for the inbound. Nope. At 8:55 remaining, 30-60. Airball po tayo, Boleros ball. Dubs. Nakalusot. Dubs driving. Wala. Rebound by Dubs again. Palpal. Traveling violation. Dikit ang bola. Dikit. Ayan na, Melvin naman. Melvin for 2. Sa wakas, nakashoot na rin si Melvin. Melvin, 2 points. Melvin, kaway naman dyan. Yun. Melvin, 2 points. Pa-shoutout po kay Sir Albert Dino Marasigan, ni Mr. kay Barantes. Airball situation, 8-10 remaining. JD binato kay Marasigan, Labrado, pops up Nadera, 2 points again, back-to-back points. Minute na. Na-corner range. Nice one. Timeout called. Oryx basketball nag-timeout muna at 6:59 remaining. The score is 32-66 favor po ng Oryx. Medina to Marasigan. Austin Parantes, Jurex by Super Game po si Alain Lim. Bulawan, 2 points. Barasigan naman, dakat ng Kanakaw. JD, nilabas, ang lakas ng Pectus. Ron, driving. Nawala ang bola, pero may foul. Abelia, number 30, shooting for second shot. Nope, Bulawan, nakaribond na kagad. And same ball po. Touch last by Boleros. JD pops up. Nope. Rebound by Ron. Benji. Bangs it in. Medina pops up. Nope. Rebound by Abelia. Benji. Dabs for 3. Bangs it in. Dabs 3 points. 68-37. A 31-point advantage. Melvin, malakas ang Pectus. Pops up. Malakas. JD. Nawala ang bola kay Dabs. Dabs. Foul kay Melvin. Melvin called for a foul. Foul on Melvin. Wala pa penalty yata. Ron. Dabs pops up. Kapos. Out of bounds. Timeout call by Boleros at 4:50 remaining. The score is 37-68. Laman po ang Oryx basketball team. Laman po halos kalahati po. 31 ang kalamangan po ng Oryx.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Shot up kay Mr. Cassie Perez. Shot up kay Tito Albert Marasigan. No good. Rebound by the Black Shirts. Black Shirts on the rebound. Benji. Hounded. Dabs. Nope. Isa pa daw. Dabs. Pops up. Bang! 4-3 points ang pinapakon ni Dabs. 4:15 remaining. Nawala ang bola. Pops up din Kako. Top of the key. 2 points. Ron. Out.
Foul number 89.
Ron number 17. Wala. Second shot Ron. Jumpers ready. Wala pareho. Limp Kako naka-rebound. Binato kagad kay Bulawan. Bulintan.
Basket.
3:15 remaining, 40-72. Dubs, binabantay na. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line.
Bola.
Bulawan, shoot, relax, 2 points. 2-point shoot, relax, 2:42 remaining. Dubs. Dubs, pops up for 3 again. In and out. Pops up Ron. Higher ball, air ball kay Ron. Dubs, nag-steam ka ako. Binato agad. Arman. Natin si Midin. Nadera. Nadera. 2 points Nadera. Nadera 2 points.
Last 2 minutes.
Again, still completed. Malakas. Bulawan. Bulawan. Wala pa rin. Bulawan. Ay! Foul.
Foul.
And 1 play para kay Bulawan.
Basket. Timeout.
Timeout called.
Foul number 77.
Jeffrey Ipe Breton is watching. Induction. Para tumigas yung yung granada.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ron, first shot.
Basket.
Basket made.
Kaya,
1:43 remaining. Medina. Dimkako pops up for 3. Hellball. Vera. Shot at boss.
Lakot.
Pops up. Malakas. Chudelax. Breton. Tap ring. Arnan again. Binatong bola kagad kay out of bounds, white ball. Pops up JD. Kapos.
50 seconds.
Ron. Buttered. Chudra sa rebound. Pops up Limkako. Nope. Rebound Chudelax. Wala pa rin. Ron. Benji. For 3. Nope. Ron. Arman. For 3. Malakas. Binatong bola. Malakas din.
Seconds ulit. Tingnan ko lang mga idol.
Okay, that's it. They concede already. Final score 41-78. Ato tayo. Congratulations, final score 41-78. Winner po, Team Oryx. And standby po tayo sa ating sengge for the day po between Cass and, alam po natin yan, In Flights. Maraming salamat po.